Welcome to my channel. My name is London and today we're going to be doing a May Ipsy unboxing. I do get these sent to me from Ipsy. I do get the Glam Bag and the Glam Bag Plus. So for May we have Wild Beauty, which I am obsessed with the packaging and the theme for this month. So let's get into the regular Glam Bag per usual. First thing is Beauty for Real lip liner in Neutral Deep, which is super exciting. Ooh, I love this. This is like a purpley, it's like a deep mauve, basically. Definitely about this. I've been wanting to use more lip liners lately. I don't know what it is. I never used to wear lip liners, and lately, I don't know, maybe it's just me being on TikTok, but I've been into it. And so anytime I can get my hands on a lip liner, I am super stoked about it. Let's see, what is this? Ooh, I already love this brand, the Hemp's moisturizers. We have tried so many in our household. Love, love, love. And I love that this is in like a travel friendly package because honeymoon, whatever might come up later on this year, so we'll see. This is in pomegranate. Ugh, I love the smell of it. So happy about that. Looking good so far. We have, ooh, I love this eye cream. I actually have a full size of this eye cream. This is the First Aid Beauty Eye Duty Niacinamide Brightening Eye Cream. Love, love, love that eye cream. Again, love little travel size. Next in here is Lovecraft Beauty eyeshadow primer. Y'all know I love crazy eye makeup look, so whenever I can try and do eyeshadow primer, I'm about it. It reminds me a lot of the Urban Decay primer, which my mom really likes that, so I might gift it to her. She has a little bit drier eyelids and I have a little bit more oily eyelids. We actually have two more things left in here. This is Black Magic Cocoa Edit Liquid Eyeliner. I think I have it already. I think I've tried this one. Either that or I have the black one, but I remember I've tried Black Magic before and I feel like it was an eyeliner. Okay, last thing in here, this is the Fresh Start eyeshadow palette by Complex Culture. I love the like orangey brown packaging. Oh, it's a little quad. Oh, this is so cute. It's a nice little quad. Oh, okay, the colors look kind of intimidating, but they kind of give off that like wet look almost. And there's just a little swatchy swatch of the eyeshadow palette. I really like this color. I mean, is it that hard to tell that I like that color? All right, that's everything that was in my regular Glam bags. Super happy about everything that I got. Definitely a thumbs up for me. It's been a while since I've liked everything in my Glam bag. So now let's get into the Glam Bag Plus. And again, the bag is so cute. We have some huge things here. Ooh, I love, love, love this brand. The insert name here, Super Shine Serum. I just highlighted my hair. If you guys couldn't tell, I kind of overtoned, which is why my hair is a bit blue. But I'm super interested to try this Shine Serum. And you can use it on wet or dry hair, which is super cool. Man, I'm loving everything in this May bag. I'm obsessed. All right, next thing up, I'm not familiar with this brand. It's called Radical, and it's the Illuminating Ultimate Glow Primer. Y'all know I love some dewiness. Oh, interesting. It's pink, soft focus glow drops. Can be used alone for dewy skin. Oh, it's super pink. It reminds me of those like unicorn drops. What is it? Varsali unicorn drops. It's not as oily as of our Sally. It definitely feels more like a hydrating serum. Ooh, that's pretty. Has a nice smell to it too. All right, and then we have a little palette here. This is by Formula Z, Transforming Beauty Cheek Palette. It kind of looks like a highlighter palette, but I can't really tell. Ooh, those are so pretty. It's a blush and highlight palette. Those are pretty. Of course, like the mauvey blushes. You can't go wrong with the mauvey blushes. And last thing is Saturday Skin. If you follow my channel, I do have a couple videos on Saturday Skin. I absolutely love Saturday Skin. This is the Pretty Pop Probiotic Powder Whipped Cream. I'm not sure if I have this one or not. I don't think I do, but I've seen this on Instagram and it looks really pretty. Ooh, that is whipped. Whipped, whipped, whipped. Ooh, it feels really nice. It's whipped, but the second you start warming it up, it turns into like one of those water creams kind of consistency. I'm all about this. This is like one of my favorite boxes since October. I literally love everything that I got in this May Ipsy box. Let me know what your favorite product was out of my May Ipsy Glam Bag or Glam Bag Plus or both. And if you get Ipsy boxes, what you got and what your favorite thing that you got was. But that is it for this video. Definitely hit that subscribe button if you want some more Ipsy unboxing videos every month. But that is it for this video, and I'll see you guys in the next one.